guys, this is Rima. I'm a social media marketer with 7 boats, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a company page on LinkedIn. Click on work, select create company page, give a name to your company page, verify that you are an official representative of this company, then select create page. Yeah, so this is how you create a company page. So let's get started. From here you can change the display picture, you can update cover photo. Then as this is an admin view, so you can do all this. If you click on member view, you can see how members are going to find you over here. Okay, you can post jobs, company's culture with career pages. Then you can write a short about us over here, and you can add specialties, you can add website URL, company size, year it was founded, locations, and if you have any groups, you can feature some groups over here as well. You can also go to analytics, you can see the followers, updates, visitors from here. You can check notifications from here, you can check updates from here. So yes, this is how you create a company page on LinkedIn. I hope you got it well. So thank you for watching. Bye.